right, so you just got your brand new inspired flight IF800 Tomcat, and now I want to go over some things that you absolutely have to do before you fly this drone. And this is critical. If you don't take these steps, you're going to have all sorts of issues and potentially lose your drone or hurt somebody. So let's jump into it, and let's start out by putting the legs on the drone. So you can see here, the drone is upside down. You've got legs here in the case. They're Velcroed in, but for the time's sake, I'm just going to go ahead and pull them out. All right, now while the drone is upside down, you are going to go ahead and you are going to insert the leg into the hole. And there's a little metal clasp here that as you push it down, it is going to click all the way in. Make sure that clicks. And now you are safe to go ahead and grab the drone by the legs, and you can pull it out very slowly, of course. Now go ahead and you can flip the drone up. And there we have it. All right, so we've got the legs on securely, but now let's go ahead and spread the arms out and make sure those are all locked in. So you go ahead, it's easy, you spread it. So you'll see here, there's this little knob on the front of the arm, and there's one on all of the arms for this drone. You gotta make sure you turn it all the way, and you're gonna hear a real click. You wanna make sure that the orange lines are lined up on the front here. So very, very important. We're gonna go ahead and do that with each one of these arms. Now, once it's clicked in, you do have these little knobs on the sides of the arms that you can go ahead and tighten if you need to, if you think things need to be a little more fit there. All right, so the next thing you need to do is make sure you put the batteries in properly. So let's go ahead and turn the drone around, and then I'll show you how to properly install these batteries to make sure that it's safe. So you take the battery out, obviously, and then make sure it lines up with this connector here. If you're doing it right, it'll slide right on the rail. If it's being forced, you're doing it wrong. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click it in, making sure it's secure. Then we're gonna do it with the other one as well. And now, really important, this latch on the back. Just because the batteries are in there and connected doesn't mean that it is ready to go. So you gotta make sure there's this little latch back here. You're gonna turn it so that it goes even across these batteries, making sure they're not just gonna slide out during flight. Now, the last thing I wanna mention is securing your payload, whatever that might be. You wanna make sure that it is on there and completely locked down so it's not gonna fall off mid-flight. And you do that by sliding the payload right onto this smart dovetail down here. So you're gonna literally take your payload, it's got a track on the top on that connector. It's gonna go right in, it'll click in, but then you've also got this clamp on the side, and you gotta make sure that you completely lock it down once you put the payload on. So 4 really, really important things to make sure that you check before you take off for the first time. Got lots more content coming and a lot of content already here, so make sure you scroll through all that stuff. We appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.